Baby is annoyed of Dad's snoring.
You're not a cow. You are not a cow. Come home. Come home, Lola. You're not a cow.
He pranked his brother with a chubby filter.
Hey, wish Grandma a happy birthday. Bro, say it.
You got a filter?
Like, this is how people see you in real life.
Oh, it's so fuzzy.
She pretended to cut her finger to scare her husband.
Come here. Hurry, hurry.
Jeff, what happened? Ah! Oh, are you?
Yep, ready, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, son of a Pop-Tart!
Thank you.
Sir, you know where I can find the hoppity patum? The poopity patum? You know where I can find the hoppity patum?
I think people forget how awkward was the Zoom classes.
I mostly like clean because I like to be organized.
Well, I'm going to bring you to my house. Just kidding.
Wait, what?
Oh, cleaning.
Huh?
They found a beggar in the woods.